Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Roshade Not Working. Okay, first things first, make sure that your Roblox client isn't running. And then, open your task manager. You can search it by typing it in the Start menu search. After that, under the Processes section, make sure to end any processes that could alter your game files or show overlays while you are in a game. For instance, Steam, any Adobe applications, or any app cleaner. Ensure also that any third-party Roblox apps are also closed. After this, you can try again and check if it is already working. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make. So, we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Roshade Not Working. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.